Ang dami sa inyo nagtatanong sa akin kung sulit nga bilhin ang bagong kalalabas lang ng Realme C100. Now, honestly, I've seen the price, I've seen the review ng marami mga tech bloggers and vloggers, and I was really quite surprised with its price point versus yung kanyang specs. And in this video, sasabihin ko sa inyo yung alternative para dito sa phone na ito, and makakauwi pa kayo ng sukli. So, don't go away after this quick intro. Now, as we all know, probably nabasa nyo na rin mga iba-ibang mga articles or probably napanood nyo na rin mga review na ibang mga tech bloggers na itong Realme C100 is being powered by the MediaTek Helio G92 Max. This one is even worse than yung pinakaayaw nyong chip, which is the G99, G100, G200. And the list goes on, no? May mga evolution pa, G100 Ultimate, yung mga stuff like that, no? Pero itong G92 Max performs way less than the G99 na base variant lang. Yung wala pang mga Ultra Max, Super, whatever tawag niya, no? Sa chipset pa lang, medyo dehado ka na. So, placing it somewhere na sa mga T7250 na presyohan. Alam nyo na, Unisoc. So, ano nga bang pinaglalaban nito phone nito? This one has a really big, massive battery na 8,000 mAh and they're charging you for 16,999, which is for me, wow! Napawaw lang talaga ako, no, sa kanyang presyo. And of course, naka-sale siya right now, 11,999. But still, it's still very expensive. Yun lang siguro yung bright side nito phone nito is yung kanyang battery which can last you for 2 days according sa ibang mga tech bloggers. Pero personally, I'm not really amazed with that. Kasi there are other phones naman despite mga 7,000 mAh which can probably last you for 2 days. Depende naman sa usage mo yon at the end of the day. And another downside dito sa kanya is that this one is still an IPS LCD, guys. Charging you for 16,999 IPS LCD, guys. Sobrang nakakadismaya. So I did a little research on my own. Tinignan ko, no, kung ano mga na-review ko previously na meron more or less sa G92 or G99 na processor which is cheaper than the Realme C100, which pwede kong i-recommend sa inyo as a good alternative. And I came up with one good solution. Despite the phone nito is not new, si Redmi Note 14 4G. Okay, hear me out. Itong phone na ito is being powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra. Ultra na yan, no? It's way better compared to G99 Max. And may nag-compare naman dito dalawang chip na ito, makita natin yung performance. Way better si G99 Ultra. Now, si Redmi Note 14 is being protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Yung nga lang IP54 siya. So, medyo dehado siya compared sa Realme C100, which has a IP68, IP69 that's water resistant. And of course, meron din siyang drop resistance. Pero guys, ito, game changer. Ang Redmi Note 14, it's a AMOLED display na 6.67 inch, 120Hz screen refresh rate, 1,800 nits ang kanyang maximum brightness, and CG5 pa siya. Meanwhile, si Realme C100, IPS LCD na siya, 120Hz, 6.8 inch, well, okay naman, malaki naman kanyang display, 1,200 nits, medyo mas dihado siya sa Redmi Note 14. And the worst part, 720p lang ang kanyang display. Grabe. That's para kang ninakawan, no? For that price point. Tapos 720p lang ang display mo. Grabe. I cannot imagine that, guys. Pareho naman silang 4G ang network. Pareho din silang expandable ang kanyang storage. Pwede mo lagyan ng micro SD card. And eto, guys, pagdating sa storage, si Redmi Note 14 is a UFS 2.2. Meanwhile, si Realme C100, guys, magugulat kayo, it's still using a eMMC 5.1 which is way slower pagdating sa read and write speed compared sa UFS 2.2. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo yung performance matrix nila. And pagdating sa camera, si Redmi Note 14, meron siyang 108MP na main camera sensor. Meron pa siyang 2MP na macro lens. Samantala si Realme C100, 50MP lang kanyang main camera shooter, 1080p and 30fps. Si Note 14, kaya na mag-shoot up to 1080p and 60fps. Mas lalo sa harap, si Redmi Note 14, 20MP, si Realme, 8MP lang. Ang dehado lang dito ni Redmi Note 14 is yung kanyang battery at 5,500 mAh, 33 watts ang kanyang fast charging. Si Realme, 8,000 mAh with a 45 watts of fast charging. Pero guys, mamaya sasabihin ko sa inyo ang solution dito. Na pag tinignan mo, at the end of the day, parang sobrang laki ng charge ni Realme. Despite na alam naman natin na tumaas ang presyo ng mga RAM, ng mga ROM, ng CPU and GPU, pero mostly naman ginamit ni Realme dito, lahat luma halos G92 Max, eMMC 5.1, IPS LCD. I mean, those are not new components if ako tatanungin mo. The only new one is yung 8,000 mAh na silicon carbon battery which they charge you an enormous amount of money. Na pag sinabi ko sa inyo ang presyo, medyo magugulat kayo. Ang Redmi Note 14 is priced at around mga nasa 7,100 pesos pag naka-promo. Samantala si Realme C100, 16,999 pag naka-promo, 11,999 pesos. Ano ang solution ko sa Note 14 para medyo lumaki ang kanyang battery compared sa C100? You can buy a U-Green na power bank na 10,000 mAh na may 22.5 watts of fast charging for just 798 pesos. So, hindi ka pa apat ng 8,000 pesos if you buy the Redmi Note 14 plus a power bank na reliable from U-Green. Ganon katipid, ganon ko kayo tinuturuan ng financial literacy. You know how to save your money. Kasi, yung 16,999, you can spend it on something better. Mga mid-range phones, kulang na lang konti. You can get a Honor X9D. But would you spend it on the C100? Ako, I highly discourage buying this phone, si Realme C100, dahil it's really a no-brainer na masasayang ang pera mo talaga dito sa device na ito. Now, if you're interested do sa Redmi Note 14 that I'm talking about, and of course, yung U-Green na power bank, I'll pop it on the description box below or just simply click yung YouTube shopping link. Baka malay mo makakuha ka pa ng vouchers coming from me na worth 2,000 to 2,500 pesos. Depende sa pagbigay ni YouTube. At yan, nandyan lang sa link. Guys, kung natuwa naman kayo sa mga real talks just like this one, don't forget to like, subscribe dito sa akin channel so you don't miss out yung mga real talk like this one and how to save your money, mga financial literacy dito sa ating channel. Hit that subscribe button and of course the notification bell. So, paano guys? Hanggang dito muna ako. I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.
And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.